everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Let's agree that handmade isn't just about yarn and hooks. It's about the time, love and warmth we weave together for the ones we cherish most. In today's crochet tutorial, we're not just learning two of the most essential basic crochet stitches. We're also going to learn how to join colors seamlessly without a magic knot, and how to finish your piece with professional touches that will take your work to a whole new level. We're learning how to turn a bed of yarn into something with a soul for the most precious people in our lives, our children. We'll be making a delicate crochet baby blanket. The stitch is easy, but the result is stunning. It's designed to be that first warm hug, handmade with all our love. Ready to get started? Are the basic crochet stitches limited to just the single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet? Not at all. There are other very important stitches too. One of the most essential is the treble crochet. This stitch gives us height, drape, and a very unique look. Here is how to do a treble crochet. Start with any number of chains, let's say 20. Count 4 chains back from the hook, yarn over twice, and insert your hook into the 5th chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. 3 loops left on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the next 2. 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that's your treble crochet. Let's do it one more time. Now, the star of the show today is the cousin of that stitch, called the half triple crochet. How to work the half triple crochet. Yarn over twice, insert the hook, and pull up a loop. Four loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops only. 3 loops left. Now here's the trick. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. This stitch is special because it works up so fast since it's taller than a double crochet. It's also dense and plush without the large gaps you find in standard treble crochet, which give the work a very different look and feel. Now, let's put the half treble crochet into brackets and make a cotton baby blanket. I made mine square, measuring 70 and 70, approximately 27.5 inches, but you can make it any size you like. I'll be working into the back bundle with chain to get a clean professional edge. We'll chain 3 for the turning chain to keep the rows neat and tight. Why did I choose this stitch and cotton yarn? Because the half treble crochet creates a soft texture that offers better protection for the baby. As for the cotton yarn, it's incredibly soft on the skin, hypoallergenic, and perfect for all seasons. It's breathable for summer and cozy for winter. Now, let's move on to changing colors cleanly without using a magic knot. When you reach the last stitch of the row, work normally until you have 3 loops left in the hook. Grab the new color and pull it through those 3 loops. Chain 2 and snip the old yarn. To give it the wow factor, I'll add a border all the way around using a half double crochet, and I'll weave in the yarn tails under the stitches as I go. Don't forget to work 6 half double crochets in each corner so the border rounds nicely and stays flat. This is the final look of our sample. And here is the finished blanket. May the little ones enjoy it in good health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, what colors will you use for your blanket and who are you making it for? See you in the next video. Bye!